I'm at the food truck and I ordered this thing and it's like moving. It's crazy. Hold on. It's Japanese. See, look how it's moving by itself. Crazy. It's a Japanese pancake and I don't, what is this called again?
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki, and it has seaweed, bonito flakes, Chinese sausage. What else? Is that it?
Veggies.
Veggies. So there you go. Okay, you guys, this is super yummy. It has like this stuff right here
Me and Curtis join you guys for lunch, dude.
is bacon. And hey, work buddy, do you like yours?
I love it.
She loves it. It's super good, you guys. It had like some onion stuff that I threw away because I'm not into that. But the rest is super good. Bye, guys.